Hey future tech gurus! Welcome to another thrilling real-world adventure from Schogini Toys, designed to spark your interest in electronics and coding. Inside this kit, you'll find everything you need, already wired and ready to go. Just insert 3 AA batteries, switch it on, and witness your very own automatic traffic signal come to life. Hit the pedestrian button to halt the traffic in its tracks. Dive into the cool features like the yellow warning LED with an overlapping effect and an attention-grabbing beep signal. Plus, there are more modes for you to discover and play with. Get creative and integrate this project into a custom traffic post model using the provided jumper wires. It's the perfect way to make your school science project stand out and impress. Keep exploring and inventing. We at Schogini Toys are excited to see what you create. Best wishes and happy building, the Schogini Toys team.